How to start a test session in Roblox Studio. So hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can start a test session in Roblox Studio in under a minute. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch a Roblox Studio. And once you are in the Roblox Studio, you can see this option of test at the top. Click on to test, and from here hover over to this start test session. From here, you get these options. The first one being test, the test here, and run, and at the end, you have the server and clients. So for test, it starts simulation with a player at a spawn location or coordinates at around 0, 100, 0. And if you choose test here, it starts the simulation at the camera's current position. If you wish to click onto this run option, it will start the simulation at the camera's current position without a player, and if you choose the server and clients option, it is to start a server and multiple client sessions. So depending upon your particular need, you can either choose test or test here. And once your test session launches, you can easily test it out with the corrector as well. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.